In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish to the Google Workspace Marketplace. 5 minutes. We'll start in the Google Cloud Console. Sign in with the account you use for your project, then open the main navigation menu. From there, go to APIs and Services and open the library. This is where you can find and manage the services your app relies on. In the library, search for Google Workspace Marketplace SDK. Open the result and click Enable. Enabling the SDK connects your project to the marketplace features you'll need for listing and distribution, so don't skip this step. Next, set up your OAuth consent screen. Click Get Started to begin. This screen is what users see when your app requests access, so accuracy and clarity matter. You must provide a public privacy policy URL and declare the scopes your app needs. Choose the minimal set of scopes that match your features and make sure your privacy policy clearly explains how data is used. If you over-request permissions, your review can be delayed or rejected, so align scope descriptions with your app's actual behavior. With the consent screen configured, head into the Marketplace SDK settings. Here you'll complete the details the Marketplace requires. In app configuration, specify which Google Workspace apps your solution extends, such as Gmail, Drive, or Docs. Provide your setup URL where admins or users can configure the app after installation. This should be a stable, production-ready page that includes clear instructions, sign-in, and any required onboarding steps. Now build your store listing, upload a 512 by 512 pixel app icon, add high-quality screenshots, and write concise, benefit-focused descriptions. Use your first sentence to explain exactly what your app does inside Workspace. Include any prerequisites, like required admin permissions, and link to documentation if you have it. Keep assets professional, avoid text-heavy images, and double-check spelling and branding consistency. If you reference external sites, ensure links work and don't expose any sensitive information. Once your SDK configuration and store listing are complete, you're ready to publish. Click Publish to submit your app for review. Google will validate your scopes, the consent screen, your privacy policy, and the overall user experience. If reviewers request changes, address them promptly and resubmit from the same dashboard. When approved, your listing will go live and be discoverable in the Google Workspace Marketplace, ready for admins and users to install. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, keep your permissions tight, and you'll be published smoothly.